Yourself for me?
My name is Devonte Campbell.
Devonte Campbell, you managed to hit the back of the net for your team to ensure that you come away with valuable 3 points here. Tell us how pleased with your individual performance and the team overall victory here to grab 3 valuable 3 points.
I think we started very slow, so we conceded a goal, but we never hold on our heads. We kept our heads high and we kept going, and we got back 2 goals before the second half, and I'm very pleased with that.
You're pleased with your goal scoring form, or you think you want to hit the back of the net more often?
Well, I want to hit the back of the net more often and get more assists, build up my tally more,
How impressed are you with your personal performance tonight?
Well, I'm impressed, but there's always more to do, more to improve on. So it's just working harder and working on more things. Yeah.
All right, respect up here.
Yeah.